I wish I knew how to do before I failed in classes in law school. And before you're like, oh, so you dropped out of law school, you're not in law school anymore. Well, I'm a lawyer, okay? And I got PhDs in my last semester, so I knew how to bounce back. Bringing me back to my point, 6 tips that I wish I knew before I did those failures. First of all, this study strategy that somehow once I started doing this study strategy, my grades improved significantly. You got your 3 main things. You got your readings, your lectures, and your classes. But I'm gonna add one more extra thing there. I'm gonna add in your exam notes, because every single week you're gonna be doing your exam notes. You're gonna be doing them as you go instead of 2 weeks prior to your exam. So the study strategy goes like this. You do your readings and your lectures before you attend your classes. So readings first, and then attend the lectures, and then attend the class, and then create your exam notes for the week. But here's how you're gonna make it a little bit more easier for you. When you write your notes, your main notes, well, this is how it works for me. It might work for you, it might not work for you, but this is how it really helped me improve my grades. When I was creating my notes, the main chunk of it came from my readings, and then I would watch the lecture. But I'm not creating separate notes for lectures, for classes, for readings. I actually put them all in to the one space. So again, I have my readings. When I do my readings, I create notes off the readings. When I watch the lectures, I simply add on to the notes that I already created from the readings. And then when it's the classes, the same thing. Not separate notes. I just simply add on notes from the classes onto the notes that I already have from my readings that I had added more from the lectures. Now I'm adding more things from the classes. So by the time it gets to the 4th thing, when I do my exam notes for the week, a huge chunk of it is already done. I already got the main things from the readings. I already pinpoint main things from the lectures. All you really gotta do, probably just reorganize it a little bit to make it a little bit more neater, so it's easier to refer back to when it does come to exam preparation time. Okay, we gotta rapid fire the rest of these tips because I spent 2 minutes on this first one. The second one is when you do the readings, before you do the hundreds and hundreds of pages of readings, give yourself a preview. And I know I said that you do the readings and then you do the lectures, but I'm gonna go a little bit ahead. Before you do the readings, review the lecture slides. Not watch the lecture, like review the lecture slides first, and then do your readings, so you know what you get into, what you're getting into before you do the reading, and then watch the lecture. But if lecture slides aren't available beforehand, doing some sort of pre-reading technique. Third one, you are not going to make lectures about creating a transcript. Lectures aren't for you to make a transcript. It's not. I feel like this isn't a law school mistake, it's a university mistake in general. Use the lectures again to actually pinpoint what is the most regularly talked about things. What is talked about the most? That's what